Lunch time? No? Okay then. Cute. Let's water some plants, shall we? I realize that these two are pretty much a corner, and that bucket is, well, you can see how big that is. So this thing I'm gonna clear these out. We're only gonna keep these, and then we're gonna plant some new plants just like these ones. I'm not sure if the capsicum or the lemon, I think this is lemon and that's capsicum, so I don't see any sign of capsicums, but yeah, let's hope that something comes. And there he is, back to eating his lunch. Oh, also have to fill their water bowl because yeah, it's dirty. Anyways, also planting two new plants. This is coriander. The last one did not work out, so yeah, this is coriander, and then this I believe were yellow capsicums. So yeah, again, let's see what happens. And again, get interested in the lunch. Come on, what? So cute, guys. Anyways, let's move on. So finally I'm done with my normal job, and my day job, and now my mom was actually a sweetheart and she wrote my story. I wrote this story a while ago and I wrote it in this like book, so I needed a online thing so that I can publish it on Amazon. So currently I am editing the book. She was a princess and she wrote the entire story for me because I was too lazy to type. And yeah, now I'm just editing it, and yeah, that's the update. They literally sleep all day long. I just. The flies are so frustrating, guys. Aww. हाँ छोटी छोटी हमारा बच्चा he rarely even gives paws to people, so pretty sure he'll retreat anytime soon. Sleepy, look at her. Oh, in love. Best friend's birthday. She lives a level above us because her birthday is on 12th March, so I'm thinking of framing these pictures of her and Alex. Look how cute. Okay, so let's start. My kidney beans are coming. I'm so happy. And there's another one in the lemon plant, lemon pot, sorry.